Now Grok Imagine is free. In this video I will show you how to use Grok AI image without any subscription. And here we try it on two aspects by generating AI image and then turning the image into video. To generate AI image here, what you do now here is to here type what you want it to generate here. Type it here. You can get what you want to generate from ChatGPT or any AI. Here just paste the prompt here on the search bar here. And then here what you do now is to send it here by clicking the up arrow icon. Before using the Imagine feature, you must sign into the platform, the Grok platform. Here follow up the sign up process is to log in your account using your email. Here I'll use my Gmail. Here I'll click on login with Google here. Now follow the setup processes here like this. You can see how I follow now. Accept all cookies here and then wait for it to load. You now choose the email you want to use here. As you can see, it's completing the sign in. This process is to help verify your device and also for you to join the free plan as a startup. That's it here by following the sign up process. That's what this process means. And here what you do now is to click on got it here. After following the sign up processes, replace the prompt here like this. But if you are using smartphone, here is how to switch to desktop. In order to see all interface clear, what you do is to click on this three dots on the top side here. If you are using Chrome, and then select desktop side here by clicking on it and wait for it to switch to desktop side. Now here you can see the desktop version. And here click on return to Grok here and paste the prompt again here. And paste the prompt again, the prompt you get from ChatGPT or Manos, any AI to generate the prompt. What you do now is to paste the prompt here like this. You can also ask Grok to give you a prompt in order to generate it, the perfect prompt, but you have to ask it as a prompt engineer. Act as a prompt engineer like this. Act as a prompt engineer. You can see add command, then ask what you want to ask here. But here we are going to generate the image, so I have to clean this. Now here what you do now is to paste the prompt here like this. Paste the prompt. You can see the prompt. Now any package you selected here, but here it says fast, any package you selected here, we ask you to upgrade here. If you click on any package here, what you do now here is to leave it on fast and then click on this up arrow icon on the side here like this and then wait for it to generate. In order to avoid boring you guys, I will skip this video. As you can see, it is generating here. Now wait for it to do its work. As you can see, it has generated the image here. In case you didn't add the aspect ratio when generated, you can see the prompt here. Add the aspect ratio. What you do now is to ask it to change the aspect ratio like this. Let me type it and then explain. You can see what I type here. Change to this aspect ratio. And what you do now is to send it by clicking this up arrow here. Send it and then wait for it to change to the aspect ratio. You can see it is generating the aspect ratio. This is if you don't have aspect ratio option on here, like here on the plus icon. You don't see aspect ratio option here, or you didn't use the Imagine. Here you can see the aspect. You can see it have changed the aspect ratio, or you didn't use the Imagine like this. You can see now to generate it in the Imagine here. What you do now is to paste the prompt again like this. Now what you do now here you can see the video icon. Here you can see the image icon. Now what you do now here, now for us, based on the step, first we will generate the image aspect. You can see automatically we are on image. And here what we will do now here is to select the aspect ratio we want it to be into like this. Select the aspect ratio. Then I will use this widescreen, which is 16.9 here. Now here also select the speed here, but this speed is only for the premium package, the people that have already upgraded the package. What you do now here after setting this, selecting the aspect ratio, is to send it like this by clicking this up arrow icon here to send it and then wait for it to generate. Now here you can see what it does. It generates both the image and also the video. Here is the video and here is the picture. Let me play the video by clicking the icon here. You can see it generate the video here, but you can also ask it to generate a video aspect. If you don't like this one, it generates, but by now the free version is over. So guys, You have to upgrade it for the premium package now to generate the video, but you can also use this video generated beside a picture here if you want. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. Now check out the playlist for more Grok AI tutorial and also helpful tech tutorial. See you there and have a great day.